we we all got together and gave him a little rah-rah goodbye, good luck, and all that kind of thing. We wish him well. So, Patricia, thank you for taking care of this as you always do.
Yes,
What
sir.
got?
So we've got, I didn't call the traffic appeals cases. So starting on page 6, I've got attorneys conferring 1 through 8. And then there's some attorneys that appeared. There's some attorneys that are here for traffic appeals and
Alrighty, have we called the traffic cases?
no, sir.
All right, those of you that are here on traffic appeals, without asking for a riot, let's have you announce at this point.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, that is, hold on a second, wrong glasses. There we are, Armando Martinez, what have you got?
Your Honor, good morning, sir. I am here on behalf of Mr. Andres S. Martinez, 153506. This is an appeal from a traffic citation, Judge. I'd like to confer if I may.
153.
506. I believe there was a missing file at the last setting that we ever had, Judge. If I may have an opportunity to confer, I'm sure we can work it out today.
153506.
Yes,
That
sir.
is Andres Martinez.
Yes, sir. Correct.
All right, we will allow you to confer on the ticket.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Your Honor. Happy Friday. John Rodriguez on behalf of Jesus Sanchez, Your Honor. He has multiple citations, too many to list. We'll like to confer and we'll get it off your docket today, Judge.
Very good. Jesus Sanchez, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You do know that there are occasions when a multitude of tickets become a capital offense, right?
I did not know that, Your Honor, no.
All right. John Rodriguez.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you.
And Judge, this is Suzanne. I've got a traffic ticket appeal as well. It looks like he's number 2 on your docket, Joe Valdivia, 148936.
By golly.
That honestly should have been taken care of way pre-COVID, but it fell through the cracks, I guess. So I need to confer.
I love it when people tell me it should have happened. I agree with
He
you.
had like 5 other tickets that we all took care of way pre-COVID, and this one just didn't make it into the mix.
All righty, dear.
Thank you.
You're on the list to confer on tickets.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who else is here on tickets? Attorneys.
Robert Valdez.
Robert.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I
Good
am
morning.
153505.
153. One, five, three,
Right before Mr.
05. Yes, sir. Robert Valdez on Moreno.
Roslyn Moreno.
How do you say that?
Roslyn Moreno.
Oh, okay, Moreno. I thought you were here. I thought I was hearing you say Moreno.
No, Moreno. No.
There you go. Okay. We have you on the list to confer on the ticket.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Robert. Good to see you. How's Josie?
Fine, she's doing fine, thank you.
Oh,
You doing okay?
doing okay. We had a little bump in the road on my wife, but I'll tell you about that later.
Oh, okay.
All right. Who else is here on tickets? Nobody else on tickets. All righty. Very good. Then we'll return to the regular docket. You already called it, right, Patricia?
Yes, Judge.
Anything I have to give attention to right this second?
Ed Bartolome is here now.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's happening?
Well, Your Honor, I apologize for being late. I got confused with the ticket docket, and I had a little problem finding my Zoom ID. My
It's on
client,
page- It's on page 6, Your Honor. Jose Alfredo Ramirez,
Ramirez.
602737.
I need to confer with the state, Your Honor.
All right, sir. What number is he, Patricia?
Number 13.
Okay. Is your client here, Mr. Bartolome?
I believe he should be, Your Honor.
Yes.
I believe
yes,
he is.
Very good.
Come on.
Okay, you're on the list. Just stick around, Ed. Anyone else have to approach the court at this point?
Judge, this is Veronica Legarreta. I was late. I had to check into the 186, but I'm here now.
And who is this?
Veronica Legarreta.
Veronica, which case are you talking about?
At the bottom of page 9, Judge.
Bottom of page 9. By golly, it is the very bottom. Legarreta,
Yes, Judge.
how are you? Is your
I'm
client
good. How are you? He should be, yes, he is.
here? I always get a kick out of when people say he should be. Okay.
Oh, no, he's there. I see him.
Okay. So what is your announcement? You're number 17 right now on the whole total, but are you ready?
I am ready. However, Judge, the state had indicated to me last time that they may be changing the charge and we're going to get medical records. I still haven't gotten the medical records and I'm still waiting for this new charge that they were going to file back in March of 2021.
And Judge, I'm here on that case. I don't know about, I mean, I wasn't in the court in March. I'm not sure how that, but I am, Judge, I am working on trying to get information that would change this charge. I've been having.
Hold on. Somebody's being cute and playing the radio and stuff. Mute yourself, please, or we'll mute you. Thank you. Okay, now, Ms. Pollard.
Yes, Judge. I was just saying that is correct. I am still working on the medical records in this case and determining if this charge is going to remain as is or if it's going to be changed. So we are not ready for Child's Day for that reason. But I do believe this is our first trial setting, except for one that was reset due to COVID.
All righty. Then, Ms. Legarreta,
Yes, sir.
you'll continue on the trial docket,
Yes, sir.
but I am noting this is the first not ready by the state.
Yes, sir.
I expect that the next time around we'll be all set.
Yes. May my client and I be excused, Judge?
Mr. Legarreta, do you have anything else this morning?
No, sir.
Then you and your client are excused. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor,
Have a good weekend. Yes, ma'am.
on page 7, second from the bottom, number 7 on the jury trial call docket.
Uh-huh.
Attorney Alfonso Cabañas is present.
Mr. Cabañas.
Good morning, Judge. Buenos días.
Yes. Is your client here?
Judge, I don't see him on the screen. However, we did notify him yesterday and again this morning but I don't see him on the Zoom screens.
Okay, well, right now he's absent, but we'll have to have him report. What is your state? What's the announcement on Simonenko?
Judge, give me 1 second. I don't know what it is. I need to check the file. Judge, on this case, we are not ready. We have an officer that is out of town next week. But again, this is our first trial setting, so it would be the state's first not ready.
All right. First not ready. Mr. Cabañas, you have any other cases this morning?
The defense is ready, Your Honor, and no, I do not have any more cases with this court this morning.
All right. We'll reset you on the trial docket. Please note this is the first not ready by the state.
Yes, Your Honor.
Take care. Have a good weekend. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
What else have we got, Patricia? Anything particular? What about the others, starting in number 1, McCray and his client, Fernandez and Morado?
That's an agreed reset, Your Honor. They've agreed to a plea. It got reset for December 3rd.
It's going to be a plea, you said?
Yes, sir. Agreed reset for plea December 3rd.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I said December 3rd or November 3rd.
You said December 3rd.
I know, but I wrote down December 3rd. I'm just not sure if I said November 3rd.
So we may have a little bit of an oops here.
Yeah, I was kind of busy this morning, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
Kayleen,
Yes, ma'am.
you wouldn't happen to have remembered?
No, I just made a note that it was going to be a plea.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right. Number 2.
Jesus Vargas is raising his hand, Judge.
Yes, Judge. May I
Vargas.
approach? Yes, how are you this morning, Your Honor? On Mr. Pryor, there's really just 2 little matters to confer, or not even confer, it's just the necessity of a standing order that needs to be entered. Because
Give me
this
the
is
case number, Jesus.
628-121.
628-121.
James Robert Pryor.
Yes, sir.
Right. And apparently there was another blood test done as far as THC is concerned. So I file a motion asking for the standing order to be entered and proceed with the state to provide the witness list and that kind of discovery before we set this case for a trial.
All righty. Has that order been signed? Do you know?
No, Judge, that was just filed that was just accepted October 21st, yesterday.
That's como eres. And now you're asking me to do it, huh?
Yes, Your Honor, that's what I'm asking. And I was gonna go to the breakout room to just confer about it, but I figured it's a standing order, just.
Standing order, no problem. I don't see any problem with the witness list.
Okay. So.
There shouldn't be a problem. So,
yes, sir.
Well, let's reset this for 30 days, at which time we'll have final announcement, either disposition or we'll set it for trial.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is your client here?
Yes, he was here earlier, Judge.
All right. Very good then. Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
Yes, you too, and you are excused.
Thank
you. Patricia,
Yes, Judge.
did we finish talk? We didn't talk about number 2, Cassie Valenzuela's case.
She's conferring.
Conferring? Okay.
She was number 1 to confer.
Okay. How about number 3, 2 cases, Anthony Garza, and that is, oh, that's also Casting Valenzuela.
Yeah, she has several cases. She's conferring with Ms. Haas right now. You want me to,
What are the other cases she has?
that, so it's, she has Adriana Beltran, 616-336. And then the one right after it, Anthony Garza, 2 cases, 616-660.
336, yes, okay. Then she has
Um,
Anthony Garza, 2 cases. Luego,
Yes, sir. Yeah, I believe those were her only
okay.
2
All right.
clients.
Number 4, Anthony Hughes, attorney. Carolyn
right.
Valdez.
He's here, Judge, but his client was a no-show, and I believe he was trying to get a hold of her.
Yeah, she has shown up.
She is Carolyn Valdez.
Yes.
Alrighty. So what's your announcement? Well, state, what's the announcement on Carolyn Valdez?
Judge, Ashley worked that case up. I don't have her announcement on it. If you give me 1 second, I can ask her to just give me all of her announcements so that I can run through them while she's in the breakout rooms, but that's going to take just a second.
Okay,
Sorry, Judge, I'm not in the office today.
not to worry.
And Your Honor, just to let you know, if you want to go ahead and get started, Ivan Barrera is back from conferring. I think, right, Ivan?
Yes.
Do you have an announcement, Ivan?
Yes, Judge. I have 5 cases. The first one is on page 7, cause number 628103.
Gotcha. It shows Brittany Sparks.
Yeah, I'm definitely not Brittany Sparks, Judge, but I'm here for that. And on this one, Judge, we're still missing video discovery. The state has tendered an offer. So we'd like a reset to be able to potentially give the state some time to get those videos, if there's any, and relay the offer to my client.
I'll give you 30 days on this one.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Okay, what else you got?
Next one, it's on page number 8 at the very bottom, 639202.
There you go.
On this one, Judge, set for a plea. We've completed the paperwork, so we can do the plea after, I guess, after the docket is done.
Very good.
And then next one is on the page number 9 at the very top, 640443.
Yes, sir, right at the top.
And on this one, Judge, I'd ask if we can be taken off the trial docket. The reason being is that I just got assigned to this case about 2 weeks ago. I filed a motion to sub-counsel about a week ago. However, it has not been changed on the Bexar County website. Therefore, I don't have access to discovery. I did talk to the to ADA Haas, and she did say that it's probably best so that we can have an opportunity to discuss the case a little bit more.
All right, we'll reset you for 40 days.
Thank you, Judge. Next one on that same page at the very bottom, 651768.
Okay.
On this one, Judge, state would like some more time to review the discovery. So I guess they want to reset. If you can get 21 or 30 days, Judge.
We'll make a 21-day reset.
And then the last one, it's page number 10, towards the top, 661880.
Yes, sir.
And on this one, Judge, same announcement. The state needs some time to review the discovery before they tender an offer. So we'd ask to reset either 21 or 30 days.
Reset 21 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Now, Mr.
that-
Barrero,
Yes, Judge.
on these cases, your client is here, is that correct?
Yes, Judge. They all presented themselves to Patty.
Mr. Lou is in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good. Then you and your clients are excused, sir. Thank you for being here on time as always.
Yes, thank you, Judge. You have yourself a wonderful weekend.
You too. Stay safe.
And Judge, back in the main room to help with announcements.
Be right with you. All right. Who is speaking to me?
Judge, it was Catherine. I was just letting you know that Ashley, you had asked for an announcement that I didn't have knowledge on.
All right. Which one was that one?
I believe it was number 4 on your docket.
Number 4 was Carolyn Valdez, and the attorney was Anthony Hughes.
Yes, Your Honor.
4 on the trial docket?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
State, what's the announcement?
State's ready in this case, Your Honor.
Mr. Hughes.
We're ready.
All right. As of right now, tentative, you're number 1 for Monday. Live. Is your client, Mr. Valdez, here? Mr. Hughes?
Miss, it's a
I'm sorry,
female.
Carolyn, you're right.
Yes, she should be here.
I love it. Yes, sir. I agree with you. She should be here. And my coordinator says she is, Patricia.
Well, she wasn't present when I called the docket.
Okay, Carolyn Valdez. Carolyn Valdez.
In the red shirt, she needs to unmute.
Oh, I'm here.
Very good. Y'all are excused till Monday morning, 9 o'clock. Oh,
In
wait,
person,
it's at 1, at 9 or at 1:30?
9 a.m., Judge.
Very good. 9 a.m. Monday, in person, in the courtroom.
Outstanding. Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care. Have a good weekend.
You do the same.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. How about number 5? Mindy Garcia, attorney, Karen Corby.
She was a no-show, Your Honor, the defendant, and Miss Corby was placed in line to confer, and she was gonna try to get a hold of Miss Garcia. The state had announced not ready on that.
Oh, okay. So Ms. Corby did not announce ready or not ready. Obviously she can't, her client's not here.
She was gonna try and look for her client, and I believe she is in line. Or maybe not.
Absolutely, maybe. Number 6, 626-338. That is Angela Blake and the attorney.
Ivan Pacheco did not answer, Judge, when I called the docket. I'm not sure if he's logged on now. But Angela Blake is in other courts. She's got several cases this morning. I believe she was going to be in the 186 or the 187th in person, and then come and log on to your docket. But Ivan Pacheco had not announced.
Okay. We'll leave it like that for right now.
So Your Honor, at the bottom of page 7 is Mark Darling, the attorney. He's in the breakout room.
Okay. What number was he? Do you know?
For the breakout,
Yeah,
number 4.
okay. And
And Your Honor, Ms. Valdez, Carolyn Valdez is asking if she's excused.
Yes,
You
she
told her
is.
to report Monday in person to County Court 5.
That is correct. Yes, she is excused till Monday. Unless told otherwise, because we might have somebody jump in her way.
Ms. Valdez,
Yes.
you're excused, ma'am. You can log out.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do we know if Larry Reed was present? That's the bottom of page.
He is, Judge,
Very good.
or he was, and he got excused.
All right. Then number 8 on trial docket, John Rodriguez.
He's here, Judge, and Attorney Angela Blake hasn't announced yet. She's in other courts.
Okay. Number 9,
Did not appear, and Rahim Mamori was here, attorney. So it's treated as an FTA. I told him to log back on in an hour to let the court know if he was able to locate him.
very good. Number 10,
Don Malloy did not answer, and Don Young did not answer either.
was nice. Number 11, 2 cases.
Mr. Deans is here, and Angela Blake is in other courts.
Number 12,
Mr. Washington is here. Ray Lopez was in other courts.
okay. 13, we've already removed from the trial docket. 14.
He's in line to confer.
Conferring on the trial. And that's number 5.
Well, actually, I'm sorry, Your Honor. That's going to be a plea. That's going to be a plea on Dylan. Rebecca Dylan.
No, this is
Yes,
Hottenrot. Jason Hottenrot.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
642-824.
He was here, and Mr. Montalvo is in line to confer. He's number 6 to confer.
Thank you, dear.
And Pat, what's my number for conferring? My client just called.
It's Patty, Ed.
I'm sorry, Patty.
I put you
Excuse
in
me.
I put you in a breakout room.
With 13,
You're-
right?
Yes, yes.
I've
you're
been
number
sitting
13.
there.
Yes, you're number 13.
Oh, I'm number 13. That's why the breakout. I got it. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
646172, number 15 on the trial roster.
She's in line, Alice Warburton. She's in line. She's number 7 to confer.
Very good. And that, I presume Valero is present.
Yes, sir.
Then we have number 16.
Loyola was
Villanueva.
present. Yeah, he was
13th on
present.
the conferring list.
And Miss
Warburton.
is conferring. She's number 7 to confer.
Okay. Number 17 on the roster. That's already been removed.
Yes, sir.
Number 18.
She's number 7 to confer.
That should be 8, no? Oh, no, it's not. I'm sorry, Warburton. All righty, and the defendant is present.
Yes, sir.
I'm curious to know how she pronounces her last name. Jessica Ticini, or Ticini. Hello. All right, so they are conferring. Number 19, Samantha Alvarado.
The person was present and Karen Corby was conferring.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
All right, your attorney's doing her work. We'll wait to hear from her.
Yes, sir.
Number 20, Patricia Dominguez.
He was present and Ms. Blake is running late in other court.
Any others we need to hear from at this point?
I'm not, Jorge Canales, I'm not sure if he was, what's going on with him?
Patty, we couldn't find my client. He's tells me
Can you
he's
hear
here.
me? This is Miguel Tejeda.
There he is.
Can you hear me? I can't, I could see you on the camera, but I don't know how to, if y'all could see me.
What is your name?
Miguel Tejeda.
That's mine, Patty.
Okay, so Mr. Tejeda is present now, Judge. That's Mr. Canales' client.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
I've conferred with Ms. 88 Pollard, and we just asked for a reset to give us time to go through this with my client. I haven't spoken to him about it, but we have conferred and she's made an offer.
Did you find the file, the cases, Judge? It's on page 10.
Yes, ma'am, I found him.
Okay.
Miguel, you're,
Yes, sir.
You're the son of Robert, my compadre, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miguel, Mr. Canales, I'm gonna recuse myself on this case because I've known this young man, your defendant, since he was a baby. And I think it would be inappropriate for me to try and preside over the case.
Okay,
we're gonna refer it to another court. Miguel, I hope you do well. Take care and God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Canales will be letting you know which court it goes to and when you're going to be in court again.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Take good care. God bless you.
You too.
Mr. Canales, I'll send you that information later on this afternoon.
Okay, may we be excused?
Absolutely. Y'all take care. Be blessed.
Thank
be
you,
well,
Ron.
be safe. Take care, Miguel.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is Catherine Valenzuela. May I approach? I've already conferred.
Very good. Absolutely.
And I have number, I think 2 and 3 on the docket.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have a question. Did Miss Beltran, Patty, did Miss Beltran show up?
No,
Oh,
I have her
thought
as a
she had.
notion.
Okay, all right. So then I'll just find her and bring her in. I conferred on that one with Catherine. And then on Mr. Garza, there still is some discovery. And so if we,
both cases,
they're at the same incident, Your Honor. Yes. On Anthony Garza.
And I am here, present, Your Honor.
very good. So we need discovery, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Let me see a calendar. I would say 3 weeks, Your Honor, just cut the baby in the middle.
Reset it 3 weeks, Patricia?
Take it off the trial docket, Judge?
No.
Okay.
Leave it on trial.
And Catherine, was that for Beltran or Garza?
Beltran didn't actually show. I thought she had, but I was mistaken. So Beltran's off.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
All right, thank you. May I be
Obviously, Ms.
excused?
Valenzuela, you need to get Ms. Beltran in, otherwise I'm gonna issue a warrant because this was a
I
problem.
I understand, Your Honor. I will. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am, you are. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I be excused too, Judge?
Who's asking?
Anthony
Mr.
Garza.
Yes, sir, you're excused too, Mr. Perez. I'm sorry. Usually I
It's
would.
gonna
let
be
you know.
reset November 12th, Judge.
Y'all got that?
Yes,
sir.
we do, Your Honor.
Y'all have a good weekend, Patty and Judge.
Thanks, you too.
Take care, be safe.
Yes, sir.
All right. What else we got, folks?
Judge, there's a gentleman with his hand raised, Joe Valdivia.
Yes, sir.
He's muted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I just raised my hand just because this is all new to me, this whole Zoom stuff. My attorney or representation is Suzanne Kramer, and I'm just wanting to let y'all know that I'm here for the docket. And
Your
that,
Honor, I'm sorry, Mr. Valdivia. That's on a traffic appeal, Judge. Second one
Right.
on the first page.
Yes, I'm aware. It's right here in
She's in
front of me.
line to confer.
Your attorney, Mr. Valdivia, is working. She's going to be meeting right now as soon as her turn comes up with the DAs concerning your appeal.
okay, all right. Do I need to be on? I'm at work, so I was just kind of wondering what I need to do or what y'all need from me.
You need to stick around and be available for your attorney.
Just be available for my attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, am I able to leave this for now and then she?
Yes, sir, you can, but like I said, be available. She may call you. We'll see what we have to do.
Okay, well, I really appreciate that, sir. And then I guess I'll be talking to you whenever I get that text.
Get back to work, Mr. Valdivia.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. The dust has settled, Betty?
Yes, sir. And I have two attorneys, Jonathan Joyner and Matt Stohansky off the traffic appeal docket, logging on now.
All right.
Patty, this
God
is
bless
Tim.
your soul. We've got Saul Acevedo on here, Petty.
Yes, sir. Paul Acevedo was supposed to appear for him.
May he rest in peace, huh?
Yes, sir. Your Honor, Matt Stohansky is on page 2.
Okay, I'll be right with him. This is 5 cases on the first page for Saul. Matt Stolhansky,
Yes, Your Honor.
how are you?
You know, doing okay, all things considered. I got up this morning. I didn't have to kick dirt off of me, so hey, good.
That's always a good start, huh?
That was a good start. I have some ticket appeals.
Mm-hmm.
To whom do I need to speak?
You'll have to talk to the state. I presume they're either city or county tickets.
County tickets.
All right.
And Judge, I would just want to let anyone who's here for the traffic tickets know that we did go down to the courtroom yesterday and there are offers on all of the files. We don't have those with us. We don't have much to confer on with them, but the offers are on the files. We can confer, but.
Well, so the best thing for us to do is just come to the courthouse and look at the files?
Yes, there's an offer on every single one of them.
Okay. if I might, Your Honor, I will check out of here and I will get over to the courthouse and see what's going on.
You're gonna mosey on down,
I'm more like sachet.
huh? I love it. All right.
Take care.
Care of yourself.
Bye.
Your Honor, this is Tim Roundtree. I had two criminal cases on the docket. Could I announce?
Tim Roundtree, give me a
Good
case
morning.
number.
Judge, they're on page 10 and 11. The first one is 664918.
Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Tim Roundtree. Bottom of the page.
On the last two cases, Judge.
664918.
Yes, sir.
Is
Judge,
your client here?
He is.
Yanut Alba.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Very unusual first name, Yanut.
Yes.
Tim Roundtree, what can I do for you? What are you going to do for us?
Your Honor, I'd like to reset it for 60 days. We've ordered a transcript from the ALR hearing, and we're waiting on that to get back before we can really talk with the state.
You mean ALR will take that long?
It probably won't.
Yes.
It won't. I mean, it takes a while. It may not take 60, but we should have it by then.
At least 52 and a half.
That's right, Judge.
We'll reset you for 60 days, Mr. Roundtree, on this particular case.
Thank you.
Unless your attorney says otherwise, Ms. Alba, you are excused at this time. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Tim, you got anything else today?
Yes, Judge, one more case. It's the very next case on your docket on page 11. Mr. Luis Cruz and
Luis Carlos Cruz.
Luis Carlos Daniel Cruz.
Yes.
All right. Good morning,
Judge,
to you, Mr. Cruz.
Judge,
Tim
we've
Roundtree.
got the discovery, Judge. I need to get with my client and review it and talk it over. So we'd ask for a 30-day reset, Judge.
How about 21 days?
That would work as well, but 30 probably be better.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you 27.
All right, fair enough.
Patricia, you were saying, I think?
Nothing. I was gonna say 30.
Okay.
I'm with Patty, Judge.
I'll tell you what, since you're advocating for 30, we're going to give him 30.
Thank you. Thank you, Patty.
You're welcome.
All righty. You're excused, Mr. Cruz, you're excused for today.
Awesome. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Good weekend,
You guys be safe, okay?
Hello, Judge.
Hello.
Hello. I was calling to say I'm at work right now. I was asking if it's okay if I can just stay in contact with my lawyer, and my lawyer's in the waiting room right now. He's number 13. Is it okay if I go back to work and he just keep me updated on what exactly is gonna happen?
Which one are you?
My name is Jose Ramirez. Is that what you asked?
Ed Bartolome is his attorney, Judge.
Okay.
Yes,
Which case is it?
The misdemeanor case?
I understand that, sir. Patricia, which case number is it?
I'm looking for it, Judge.
Okay.
No lo encuentro.
I remember years
Six-
ago. Ernest
six-
Casaleva Jr., may he rest in peace.
Ya lo hallé. Page 6. Page 6, 602737. Jose
There he is.
Alfredo Ramirez.
Very good, Mr. Ramirez. Your attorney has appeared and he is on the list to confer. So stay in touch with him. I will excuse you to go to work or wherever you have to go.
Yes, work. Thank you very much. I will stay in contact with my lawyer, and thank you very much. Have a good day.
Be available to him in case he wants you to come in or something. I
course.
don't know that he will, but be available.
Yes, sir. Of course. I will stay in contact with him. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
All right. You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Did Mark LaHood answer?
Your Honor, he did. His office says he was at a funeral. Defendant was Adrian Hernandez in the courtroom, and I recalled it for November 5th.
Recall. You know what? It may have been Oscar Kazan's father's funeral. Oscar Kazan lost his daddy.
Oh,
I just found out about it this morning. We were over there at the Sakai thing. And Catherine Valenzuela has replied, but we have not had anything from Ms. Beltran.
Your
So,
Honor,
yes?
I'm sorry, just to let you know, Attorney Jonathan Joyner is off the traffic appeals for Jason Joyner on page, all over the page, and traffic appeals.
Morning, Judge. We've received offers and we are prepared to close all those tickets out. And so I plan on going down on Monday or Wednesday. I believe that's when the court collections is open, unless they've opened up to every day, but I'll be down either Monday or Wednesday and close those out.
Okay, we'll come in next week.
I will, Judge.
All right.
You have a blessed week.
You too. Stay safe, you and your loved one.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm not sure if you've logged on to your Adobe sign for please, possible two, please, ready?
No, I have not.
All right, and also Jonathan Perez, attorney, John Perez.
Give me
He's
a
there,
second,
he's,
real quick. I'm
Okay.
checking on. Doing that. Wow. Okay, now back to you, Ms. Garcia.
I was asking if you had logged on to your Adobe sign so you could check. We have possibly three, please.
I had done it last night late, but not today. I will do that right now.
Patty,
Toma.
did you get a call from the guy that I have in here, Crandell Mark?
Your Honor, on page, that's Lake Etheridge, right, Toma? Where he's saying that he hired somebody. Is that on Crandall?
Yes.
Your Honor,
Ma'am,
page 9.
hold on just a second. I'm getting into the, what you call it? Adobe. All right, page 9, you say?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me.
647-519. The defendant, Mark Crandall, is in the courtroom. There's a blank on the system as the attorney of record. He's saying he hired Blake Etheridge. And I got a text message from Linda saying that Mr. Etheridge has been unsuccessful in submitting his e-file notice of appearance on the case, but he's asking if we could reset it. He's unable to come to court or log on this morning because he's in a different county. But he's not even on the system and he's been unable to e-file.
Well, the e-filing is a matter of clicking some buttons, so we'll give him 21 days.
So that is,
Well, you tell me what you need, because you're the one that's got the docket.
all right. Mr. Crandall, your case is getting reset for Thursday, November 18th.
Okay.
For you to get your attorney to update the system as your attorney of record.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can be excused, right?
So he's excused, Your Honor?
Of course, yes.
Thank you, Judge. Have a blessed weekend.
Judge, I'm gonna bring back the attorneys I had put to confer on traffic appeals. Suzanne Kramer is asking if she can come back because
Okay.
the state made an announcement on the traffic appeals.
Mhm.
I'll do that next time. Thank you so much.
Suzanne
And I
Kramer.
believe, I believe Alice Warburton is,
Okay, she's not here on tickets. It's,
yeah, Suzanne Kramer is judge.
yes, she is. Warburton is not.
And I'm bringing John Rodriguez back too for the traffic appeal cases.
All right, well, let's hear from Suzanne Kramer. I don't hear anything from Suzanne. Who else?
Oh, I'm here, Judge. I didn't know I was supposed to be talking.
Judge, I brought her back. She was in line to confer on the tickets, but
Nobody
the state
came
made
in.
an announcement.
Okay, Suzanne, all the tickets are here in the court. I'm told by the state, they've already reviewed all of them. They have offers on the file itself.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was downtown yesterday. I could have gone by and looked.
I just found that out moments ago.
Okay.
Can you, at your earliest convenience, come by, check the file and see what you're gonna do?
I'm not going to be able to do it today, Judge. Can I go down there?
No. I'm not demanding that it be
Oh,
done today.
okay, great.
You're only being told about it today, so.
Okay, yeah,
next-
I'm downtown a couple times a week, so I'll get down there next week for sure, early in the week, probably Tuesday.
Very good. Then at this time, you and Valdivia are excused.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. Have a good weekend.
You too, stay safe.
Bye-bye.
All right. Who else we got, Patricia?
The other attorney was John Rodriguez, Judge.
John Rodriguez.
Judge, I assume, which is wrong to assume, but the same message is relayed to me.
That is correct, sir.
Okay, I'll see about taking it off your docket today, Judge, if I'm able to go down there. If not, it'll be early next week, Your Honor.
Very good. Review of files. You are excused on Mr. Jesus Sanchez.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, and you have a great weekend, Judge.
You too.
Bye.
Good morning, Judge.
Morris Kirschberg, I'm here for 2 traffic appeals.
Hold on just a second, sir. I have to do some markings on here.
See.
Very good, Morris. Kirschberg, how you been?
You're gonna tell me about the Berlin.
Oh, yeah.
Morris Kirschberg.
Yes, I'm present, Your Honor. I have 2
Yes,
traffic
how
appeals.
how have you been, sir?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
Said, how have you been?
Oh, very good, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm well so far, thank God. And the doctors. Okay, Morris, talk to me. What you got?
Oh, I haven't looked at the offers. Could I have a week or 2 weeks to go downtown? Because I'm on the loop here.
Give me your case number.
Okay,
Hey.
let me give it to you.
Page 1, Judge.
148991 and also 153053. 153053.
Okay, the first one is Paul Smith.
That's correct.
You will review the file within 2 weeks.
2 weeks is plenty. Thank you.
Okay, so noted. The other one is 153.
053.
053, that is Gonzalez Martin.
Yes, correct.
Review within 2 weeks. All right, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can I be excused then?
Yes, sir. You take
All right,
care.
thank you. Have a nice weekend, Judge.
You too.
All right.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, I am back on 153506.
153.
506.
506.
And my announcement, Judge, I'd like to go to the court now, once I'm done with you, and I'm gonna immediately go and take care of this case right now. I'm gonna walk to the court.
All right. Mr. Armando Martinez.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the way.
I'm on my way, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, good morning.
Yes.
I've conferred on Mr. Joel Alfredo Ramirez, Your Honor. He's got 3 felonies pending.
Okay, give me some numbers because I've got about 11, 12 pages of document.
He's 602737 on the status.
602.
737, Your Honor.
Yes, okay, Mr. Edward Bartolome. Yes.
Yes,
Ed?
yes, sir, Your Honor. He's got 3 felonies pending. The state's made an offer on this case, but we'd like to see what we're going to do with the felonies first, Judge.
So you want 60 days?
That would be more than fair, Your Honor, and I think we can get things resolved.
Very good. Then you reset 60 days, felonies pending times 3.
Yes, sir.
All righty.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
You and your client showed up. Well, he'd already been, I had excused him already.
Yes.
You're excused. Have a good
And thank-
weekend. Stay safe.
And I hope that things are well with your wife. And thank you, Your Honor, for your consideration.
Thank you, Ed.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye, Patty.
Hi, Ed.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I approach? Cesar Montalvo.
Oh, no. Yes, of course. Which
Good morning,
case
Your
number? Which case
Case number
number?
is 642-824. Mr. Jason Hottenrot.
642. 642-824. Hottenrot. That's an unusual name.
Yes, Your Honor. So we've conferred with the state. They've tendered an offer. We're on the trial docket. We're requesting that we be removed from the trial docket and set for a plea. We haven't received any of the documentation or anything like that, but we'd like to review that. I'd like to review that with my client.
All right. We'll give you 1 week to come in and submit the plea.
Okay, thank you. I'll go with the state.
All right. You too. Stay safe.
Likewise. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. All right. Anybody else have to report?
Robert Valdez, Your Honor.
Robert Valdez.
Yes, sir. That's 153505. That's a traffic appeal. After conferring with the prosecutor, she said that the offer was in the court file, that she didn't have access to it. So I'm on hold with your office. They put me on hold so I'll probably work it out, but I just need to get the offer so we can pay it and take care of it.
153505 Moreno.
Yes, Rosalind Moreno.
Yes, sir. All right, I will show that this is pending your review.
Yes, please. And do you want to reset it to keep it in line, or I don't know how you want to handle it, but
Defense review. As an officer of the court, I'll expect you to do it within 1 week, okay?
yes, sir. I promise you that I will, or get back in touch with you.
Your word is gold. All right. We'll let
Thank you, Judge.
Get it
Yes, sir.
checked out.
Thank you. Have a good
You're
day.
welcome.
Reach
You
out to you
too.
later.
Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Reports, attorneys, anybody else? All right.
Yes, Judge, sorry. I'm not sure if I missed it. I was trying to get into a breakout room for Giselle Gonzalez. I think I
Name and
missed
case
Reed Pollard
number
was the
and
last
name.
person I was conferring with.
Who are you, first of all?
Oh, sorry, Judge, this is John Pettis.
John Bettis.
Yes,
Case
sir.
number.
On Giselle Gonzalez, case number 598-357.
598.
357.
598-357. Giselle Gonzalez Sanchez.
Yes, Judge, we filed a motion on this one, and I think this is the date that we were supposed to confer with the state and either have a hearing on it, or even I think the state will agree to it. But
What's the essence of the motion, real quick?
So she has been ordered to have antabuse, but she cannot afford it. So we're asking that the fees be waived for the antabuse. Not that she be removed from antabuse, but just that the fees be waived.
Is your client here?
Yes, Judge.
Very good. All right, we'll wait for state. Somebody from state available?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Okay, have you looked at this request? Any problems?
Not yet, but I can still confer with Mr. Perez.
All right, we'll mark you conferring, Mr. Perez. Let's get it squared away. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorneys, anybody have to report?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeffrey Martinez, I have a Rebecca Dillon, a 640-940.
640-940. All righty, yes, Rebecca Celeste Dillon.
We're
And
trying to do a plea today, Your Honor. We've conferred, we're all good there. I think we just gotta wait for some paperwork. We just want to update the court. That's what our plan is for today.
all righty,